Lot number 157 is a 2002 Chevy 3500 utility truck. This one has a stake bed in the back that appears to be in good shape. It's got a 6.5 liter diesel engine. This one started right up. The batteries are good. All I did was put the key on there, turned over a couple of times, started right up. It's been running for about 45 minutes. Has not overheated. The engine sounds good. The automatic transmission engages, but the AC blows warm. The AC blows warm. AC compressor has not engaged the whole time. I'm gonna rev it up a little so you can hear it. Revs up nice. Idle smooth. There are the miles. 110,468 original miles. The body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. It shows normal wear and tear. The paint is peeling and faded. It shows some surface rust on the roof. It's got a nap-hide roughneck utility bed that appears to be in good shape. It shows surface rust. The paint is peeling. It's got dings and dents, but it's still very workable. All the cabinet doors open and close as they should. I can't get a good look at the bed because there's a load of dirt on there, but it does appear to be solid. Passenger side shows some scratches, some dents, some paint peeling. The body looks straight. The interior shows normal wear for a truck like this. The dashboard is cracked. The steering wheel is worn. The bench seat is torn. The headliner is hanging and it's torn. The driver's side door panel is missing the armrest. All right, there you have it. It's lot number 157. It's a 2002 Chevy 3500 utility truck. Diesel engine, 6.5 sounds good. It's got 110,000 miles. It's lot number 157. Good luck.